My video will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove fake human verification alerts related to the site webhitnow.com. Webhitnow.com is a misleading website which may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to trick its visitors into clicking on the Allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are not robots. Clicking on Allow is risky and dangerous, and if you do that, the browser will be hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be popping up on the computer screen. These ads are not really safe. They may redirect you to many shady and dangerous pages that may even damage your computer with malware. So you should do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go to Permissions and select Notifications. And pay careful attention to all the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this webhitnow.com, remove it from the list. And also remove other junk sites. There is a program that can help you do that automatically, and we recommend you to use it. It will also help you to detect and remove other threats from your computer. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.